Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep playing tennis. Let's start drawing first. I draw Suzy sheep, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her little nose and a big smiling mouth. She looks excited. Do you think Suzy will win the match today? I continue to draw her face and her two ears like this. Then I draw her body. Draw two hands like this. Look! She's holding a tennis racket. Do you like playing tennis too? Now I draw her legs and her tiny tail. All done, Suzy is ready to play. Facing her, I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her nose like this. Draw her two ears. Now I draw her smiling mouth. She's happy to play with her best friend. I continue with her body. I draw her two hands holding a tennis racket. Then I draw her curly tail and her two little legs. Peppa looks ready for a friendly game. Who do you think will win? Right here, I draw a tennis ball bouncing between them. Can you say bowing, bowing, like a tennis ball? Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use pink to paint Suzy's nose and her dress. Then I use cream for her cheek and gray for the rest of her body. For Suzy's tennis racket, I use red. Then yellow dot dot dot, sky blue dot dot dot, orange dot dot dot, and pink. Well, her racket is full of bright colors just like a rainbow. I use dark blue to paint Peppa's tennis racket. Then I color her dress red. I use pink to paint this part like this. Green dot dot dot, sky blue dot dot dot. Look at them now. Peppa and Suzy look like real tennis stars. Great job, little artists. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.